Hello and welcome back to the garden. We're in the potting shed today. This is a grim day outside, windy and rainy, so we're going to plant some bulbs. We're using terracotta pots today, great for bulbs. This one's got a little hole in the bottom, so before we put anything else in, we put a little crock in the bottom just to cover the hole over. Then we're just going to add a little bit of this grit, just enough to cover the base. That should do. Let's add our mix.
This mix is very light and airy. It's got sand, garden soil, compost and grit in it.
Now that's up to the level. Now you need to be looking at getting your bulbs twice the depth.
Yep, twice the depth for bulbs.
Twice the depth, or yeah, twice the height of the bulb is the depth you want to put them to.
Yep, and that applies for planting them outside as well.
Okay, so
it's different if you're forcing them indoors, but for putting them for outside, this would be the required depth. It does normally tell you on the back of the packet, so if in doubt, just have a look on the back of the packet.
So, these are the bulbs that we're going to be planting today. We have Muscari, lovely blue flower there, and Chionodoxa. Okay, so we're going to put the Muscari around the outside and the Chionodoxa in the centre.
No, we're not.
Oh, is the other way around?
No, we're mixing them all together. No, what we're going to be doing is placing the 10 Muscari and then interspacing with the Chionodoxa so you've got blue, pink, blue, pink. Do you see?
There's 10 of each.
Yes.
Blue, pink, I see.
So you'll have to fudge it a bit, but yes.
Okay, well let's give it a go. Okay, these are the Chionodoxa, the little pretty pink ones. When you're putting a bulb in, I know some people won't know this, so I'm just going to say you want the pointy end up and that flatter bit at the bottom. So this might take a few moves around to get this right. It's got 10 to get in here. 3.
Ideally they don't want to be touching each other and they don't want to be touching the sides. Now because these are only going to be in for one season, they can be closer together. This is not their permanent home. So it is okay if they're closer together.
I think I got that quite well, look. So we're going to fill in the gaps like this. And we get pointy end up. And there we go. Okay, you can see they're going to be covered over to twice their depth in the pot. Just gently cover them. Just going to finish off with a little bit of grit on top.
That's going to stop all the soil splashing every time we water all over the bulbs, keep them nice and clean.
There we are. There are our planted little bulbs.
Oh, and don't forget to label.
Label. We have a label.
It's very important to label because once you've got 6 pots of bulbs, they're all going to look the same.
Here's one we prepared earlier. And it goes, and there we are.
Bulbs, when they've been done, can be put outside, but they do not want to get waterlogged. So the best thing is either put them in a cold frame or somewhere where you could put a sheet of glass over them, depending where you live, weather conditions, etc. We're going to pop ours where they've got a bit of shelter, sheet of glass over them until they start to show. Once they start to show, with a little bit of green coming up, then they're going to go outside into their final position. But until then, because we do get an awful lot of rain here in the Manche, they will be protected until that time. They'll probably go into the tunnel for a while.
So you will need to water your pot once you've got your bulbs in there, but we're not going to water this one now because we've got a few more to do. So once we've finished them all, we'll take them down to the tunnel and give them a watering. And we're either going to put a glass pane over the top, or we might use plastic container, see-through one, to put them in to keep our friends the Mickeys away, because the mice will definitely have a go at these bulbs if we don't do something to protect them.
It's going to want to wait on it as well.
So that's our bulbs prepared and readied for next year. Hope you enjoyed our little video. Please like and subscribe if you did. Enjoy your gardening, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.